first visited the unit itself, we was actually welcomed by a very huge patio, which is actually a very huge garden. Our first thought is to actually design a Balinese style, also a resort theme. The main colours used in this design concept are earth tone and natural colours. The wood laminate used on the ceiling is to match with the Balinese style. The false ceiling is designed in a way that is 45 degrees inclined inwards to increase the volume of the ceiling. And the greens is directly inwards to actually give guests a welcome feeling. We use decorative tiles to enhance the look in the foyer.
For the living and the dining, we use ceiling design to separate two areas. Balinese style is more on natural, so we try to propose wood colours, but instead of using laminate, we use the veneer to cover the wood block itself, and then we varnish into the colour we wanted. We choose the blind to blend in the whole theme. We took out all the ceiling previously. We do a new one, so after the reno, it looks more taller, and then the whole house looks brighter. In order to present the cozy feeling for the resort, we have cove light. We still have the wood plank covered with veneer to present the Balinese element. The master bedroom feature wall and the living room feature wall is the same design concept. Some elements and details in the master bedroom as to match the living lifestyle for senior citizens. Firstly, we have the sensor light underneath the side table. In the night time, the light will shine on the floor and easier for them to get down from the bed.
Usually, kitchens are actually designed in a way that darker tones are actually placed below and the lighter tones are at the top. But what we actually design is completely opposite to bring out the modern feel of it and also to make the kitchen more cozy.